Shodan, perfect. Now, what is Shodan? What is Google? Google is a search engine. Bing is a search engine. But what it searches for? Google searches for anything that you query. Anything that you query will contain website, PDF, text documents, etc. But what if you want to query a device? You want to find a device which is connected to the internet. Shodan is a application or is a website, an online website from where you can search anything over the internet. I'll just quickly log in. Remember, use your Somaya ID over here or use your college ID over here. Using your college ID will provide you access uh, to those features which are premium. I'll show you what features are premium. I have my access with Somaya ID. Okay. So let's go on shodan.io first and let's search for something called as uh, voice over phone. Okay. So device
Sir, is it safe to use this website without using VPN and
uh, to use Shodan website.
yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, it's completely safe. Shodan basically will like what Google does. Google searches or Google's robot crawls all the websites and store them in the database, right? Shodan
Yeah,
has a
yes, sir.
similar thing. Shodan will crawl all the devices which are connected to the internet and will store them in its database. So Shodan is totally safe. You do not need to worry. Search similar to what you are searching for Google, but over here you are just searching for devices, nothing else.
Okay, sir.
All right. So Shodan also has some quick queries, just like Google Docking has. Device VoIP phone. Now, what exactly this means is uh, it will show you all those websites wherein your phone is connected. VoIP is voice over internet protocol. That's a protocol. For example, when you use Airtel Wi-Fi calling, what exactly that is? That's voice over internet. So your voice is going through internet instead of the normal network. So that's VoIP phone. So yeah, you can just search this query and you will get all the results over here. There are 12,454 results. Besides that, what you can search is OS. So example, I need all those devices where Windows 8 is the operating system. Perfect. I got 952 results. 32 are from India. 367 are from Russian Federation. Okay. Oops. Perfect. And I'll have all those things. If you visit this website, you can also log in probably if that website is shut down right now, or if the website is only accessible to some kind of VPN, then you cannot log in. But except that, you can log in over here. Okay, perfect. What else you can search is IP webcams. So you can search and take a sneak peek into someone's webcam. Okay, my bad.
So what we can gather information from from this website?
From this website, you can gather publicly accessible web cameras. You can gather uh,
Like we
ports.
can see into that camera, or
Yes, you can see into that camera. See, an example. This is a camera of some parking lot of some society. You are able to see it into it. This is the same, I guess. This is also the same. See, this is another camera. This is another camera. It's some 38.3. I guess someone is uh, checking out its temperature, someone's temperature. See, another one. So these all are publicly accessible. You can gather it. This is some China or Japan. I am not sure. Korea Republic of Cheonan. Okay. You can gather information such as open ports. You can gather information such as products which are using MySQL. Uh, I'll show you one of the report. Should I report in 2 minutes? Finding a P2 in Shodan within 2 minutes. Okay, so what this guy did, all right, Control C, Control Shift and Control V. This guy, Sweet Light, what he did was he searched for a website on Shodan and he found a website. On that particular, okay, I guess this is not the one which I'm searching for. All right, finding a P1. Now P1 is the highest level of bug. Okay, I forgot to tell you all this. There are 5 categories of bug: P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. P1 is the highest one. P5 is the least one. You don't get any rewards for P5 and sometimes for P4 if it's not. So these are the rankings of bug. So he found a P1 category of bug in 1 minute with Shodan, and that bug was RCE. For those who do not know RCE, RCE is remote code execution. So basically, you have the access to the entire server of that particular thing. So he just queried a request on Shodan, and he came across this Jenkins instance. Jenkins is a application which is used for automation. Uh, Now, what vulnerable was over here is that he could create an account of his own. So what he did, he tried to sign up and it worked flawlessly. Now he created his own account, and he logged in, and he was able to access everything of that particular company's website. So yeah, he was able to access everything, and also he was able. Jenkins has this feature that you can run commands. So this is the syntax of that command of ls command. So he run the ls command, and as you can see, uh, he has got he has successfully got a remote code execution on this Jenkins instance. So yeah, this is how Shodan has been used uh, to find a P1 category of bug. One of my friend was randomly looking for webcams. He was looking like he searched randomly, and he was able to get uh, the web camera of an Indian police station. Okay, so Indian police station's web camera on Shodan uh, was one of the great things. All right, so Shodan has different more things. The paid version, which I told you all, which could be free, is Maps. Here, when you search for anything, you can see where are they located. So using this Maps, you can see. So for example, IP cameras, it's processing, and see, you can see there are total 909 results, and these are the top companies. Now, okay, so see over here, you see a red mark. Okay, this red mark states that here there is an IP camera which is there. If you click over here, okay, see, this is the IP address. So you will be able to see IP cameras all over the map. This is a paid feature, but if you use a EDU ID, you will get it for free. Another paid feature. Okay, this thing came right now. It was loading. Another paid feature is images. Shodan by default captures screenshots of uh, of everything which it crawls. So these are login screenshots, and there might be some screenshot wherein the password is accessible, so you can use it. This is another paid feature of Shodan. Another one is monitor. Okay, not monitor. I guess one more was exploits. If you click on more, Shodan monitor, Shodan. Okay, explore Shodan. There's something called a Shodan exploits too. I'll just find it. Perfect. Exploits.shodan.io. Here, all the CVEs or all the exploits which are publicly available will be listed down over here. So, for example, RC. Let's search for RC. See, there are 531 results. Local remote code execution XCMS. So, XCMS is a content management system, just like WordPress. Uh, there are various authentication bypass and remote code execution which will be available. So you can use Shodan to its fullest. It's a beautiful tool.